Tell me the make, model, and the year of your bike.
It's a BMW-S1000rr 22.
Yeah. Okay. Is this your first bike, second bike, bike number what?
It's probably like my 10th bike.
Your 10th bike?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. So right now, do you have more than one or just one?
Just one.
Just one? So what's your plan with this bike? I see you, oh wow. You stretched it. So are you into like street racing?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
All racing, yeah.
Always? Okay, because I see it stretch. Because you probably don't take it to the track then, right?
Never taken it to a track.
Yeah, because once you stretch it,
Exactly.
it's not
I
a...
can still corner with it. It's not bad, you know.
Yeah, did you change the tire size also? Or is it like
I
the...
didn't go down. I just stepped it up to like a 200.
Yeah.
255. Then I went down to 190.55.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Cool. I see you have a nice mount. This looks very clean. Did you get that done somewhere?
Yeah, I got this off of Amazon. It's self-sticking.
Oh, you did? Okay,
Yeah.
But no, I mean the bracket.
Yeah, I got that off of Amazon.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
That looks really nice. It's really clean.
Thanks, man.
You know, nice. Yeah, because a lot of time I've seen them, they're like sticking out or something. This is a very clean one. Clean look, you know what I mean?
I appreciate that, yeah.
Cool. Helmet is matching too, you know? So where are you coming from?
I'm from Woodbridge.
Huh? Woodbridge? Oh, okay. How was the ride here? Good?
Yeah,
Good. Well, nice meeting you. Thanks for your time, buddy. Thank you.